auspicious and wonderful day for the Oasis fraternity. As we all are here to celebrate the Golden Jubilee celebrations, you all to stand up as I wish to extend our heartfelt condolences to our founder, Sri D.L. Narayana Garu, and our first president, Sri G. Pullareddy Garu. Let us all pray that let their souls rest in peace. I request you all to stand up for 2 minutes. Thank you very much. You can be seated now. Without any further delay, I request Mrs. Punita to present the welcome speech.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, the galaxy of intellectuals, Your Excellency, invited guests, and my dear friends. We all present here on this auspicious occasion of inception, our Golden Jubilee celebration. In this prestigious moment, I would like to welcome all of you to our school, Oasis School Golden Jubilee celebrations. At the first, we have a great privilege in welcoming our guest of honor, Sri Raghava Reddy Garu, Yehambar Reddy Garu, President, Oasis Educational Society, Chairman, G. Pullareddy Charities Trust. We welcome you, sir. We are indeed have a deep indulgence to welcome Sri Subba Reddy Garu, the Chairman and Correspondent of Pullareddy Group of Educational Institutions, Executive Secretary of Oasis Oasis Educational Society. Your presence made us rejoice. A hearty welcome to you, sir. We are very much fortunate to welcome our correspondent, Dr. Sudarshan Acharya Garu, the National Coordinator of Lead India 2020, correspondent of Oasis Educational Society. We are delighted to have you here and a grand welcome to you, sir. We are affiliate to welcome our principal ma'am, Mrs. Kameswari Garu, exemplar and dynamic person of the entire fraternity of Oasis. Your presence made us excited. We welcome you, ma'am. I extend my welcome to all other dignitaries, our beloved parents, our media friends, event manager and group, all our young minds, and my dear colleagues. A warm welcome from Oasis family to one and all. Thank you.
I invite our tireless and shrewd personality who has attended mentor monitoring workshop conducted by CBSE Chairman Mr. Vineet Joshi at Chirik Public School, and who is also appointed as mentor by CBSE for 3 schools of Hyderabad and Rangareddy district to present the preamble of school's achievements, the school report. I put a huge round of applause for our principal ma'am, Mrs. E. Kameshwari Garu. Ma'am, please.
I quote Swami Vivekananda, test everything, try everything, then believe it. And if you find it for the good of many, give it to all, give it to all. A very good evening and namaskar to the chief guest of the day, Sri Raghav Reddy Garu, President, OSS Educational Society, Sri P. Subbareddy Garu, Executive Secretary, OSS Educational Society, all the members of Governing Council, Dr. N.B. Sudarshan Acharya, Correspondent of OSS Educational Society, esteemed guests, the very dear parents, the media, each and every person who is present in this gathering, and the team of OSS and the young minds of OSS and the nation. Dreams are today's answer to tomorrow's question. May I welcome you all to the Golden Jubilee celebrations. In the school, we encourage a child to inculcate cheerful habits, give happy family environment, and maintain academic rigor. The grade card of CBSE 12-13 shows 41 out of 42 got more than 8 CGPA. A huge round of applause for our teachers as well as students of 12-13. State board highest grade was 9.6. A workshop on continuous and comprehensive evaluation was conducted in the school by NIIT, the empaneled agency of CBSE, for all the teachers on 8th and 9th of June. A special workshop for kindergarten teachers was conducted by Oxford Publications, specially to train them in teaching, learning, innovations. They have also attended many other workshops. Maths, Science, Social, Hindi, English teachers have attended workshops conducted by various publishers like Oxford, Evergreen, Cordova, Saraswati Publication. The article by Health and Hygiene Club was published in Sanabosic, CBSE magazine. Workshop on interdisciplinary project was attended by principal, vice principals, and head of the departments. Principal has attended the 21st National Sahodaya Conference at Amritsar. Correspondent had attended the International Conference of 21st Century Educators at New Delhi. Achievements 2013-14. Students have got 3rd place in wildlife quiz conducted by WWF, World Wildlife Fund for Nature. Students of high school participated in Literary Fest 2013 conducted by Oak Ridge International, secured 2nd position in face painting, 3rd position in music, lyrics, and also got 2nd position in Best of the West. Nikhilesh got gold medal in breaststroke and bronze medal in freestyle swimming in Rajiv Gandhi Memorial Swimming Competition. Our students are the winners of SGF state level basketball, kho-kho and throwball competitions. Our kids are the winners again in kabaddi and volleyball in zonal level. Students participated in art and craft competitions conducted at Lions Club Peace Drawing Competition. Master Anirudh of Standard 7th got 1st prize in golf state level championship. Diksha Singh and Vishwas Singh got bronze medal in National 11 Championship Taekwondo. New hockey coach has been appointed to encourage students in the very particular stream. Ignited Minds. Our students had an online interaction with Dr. Madhavan Nair, former Chairman ISRO, Dr. Vijay P. Bhatkar, Chairman Board of Governors, IIT New Delhi. Social and Community Development has conducted mock parliament for the students in tie-up with Vanita TV. Our school has adopted Kasturba Welfare Trust and had taken the issues seriously to set up them in the financial crisis and moral support. Last but not the least, I am here to conclude that it is a teamwork. Students have also participated in March Past and at Cyberabad Police Commissionerate. School has conducted many competitions like Best Out of the Waste, Fancy Dress, Computer and Science Quiz. We also conducted theme days like Green and Eco Club, Maths, Hindi, Social and Community Development theme days. Students have attended astronomy, robotics, aero modeling workshops and also enjoyed the various activities conducted by Pogo Channel. Students of 9th and 10th along with Mrs. Punita had attended the Regional Summit of Life Schools at Kennedy Global School conducted by Expression India. Field trips. Students were taken to Shilpa Ramam, Crazy Chicks, Zoo, Tribal Museum, Dream Valley, Archaeological Museum, Creative of Fine Art, HSU campus. We have introduced financial literacy through National Stock Exchange. As per CBSE, vocational training has also been introduced in Standard 9. Students achieved National Astronomy Olympiad, got 7 gold, 6 silver and 6 bronze medals. To conclude, 2013-14 is repositioning, restructuring, refocusing the past event. The year is very much a time of consolidating and strengthening up, ready for the 50th years of celebration. This coming year will see significant movements and influence from school in powerful and meaningful learning. Our priorities will be about strengthening up the connections between school and community, engaging and explaining why we do what we do, and the promoting of the creative. I continue to honor and acknowledge the caliber and willingness of our staff to align so strongly with the school vision and their willingness to put themselves out of there as both brave and innovative in their practices. My special gratitudes and thanks to the management for the continuous support rendered to us. जिस में पथ पर स्नेह मिला, जिस पर पथ पे स्नेह मिला, उस राही को धन्यवाद। जीवन अस्थिर अनजाने ही हो जाता पथ पर मेल कहीं। सीमित पगडग लंबी मंजिल तय कर लेना कुछ खेल नहीं। दाएं बाएं सुख दुख चलते सम्मुख चलता पथ का प्रसाद। जिस से पथ पर स्नेह मिला, उस राही को धन्यवाद, उस राही को धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Our school has proved its strength not only in sports but also in academics and co-curricular activities too. With the next program is our school song, Praise to be forever for teaching us life's first rule, toiling hard to reach far up and face every battle and duel. In the formulation of traditions which go a long way in building the spirit of a school song plays a very vital role. It inspires the children to inculcate the best values of life being taught here in the school. Let us join our hands and welcome Oasis Choir Group. A huge round of applause. As you all can see, it's Master Rajkiran on drums. It's Master Rajkiran on drums. And Manikant on the keyboard with the Oasis Choir Group.